Hello beautiful, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox the May Look Fantastic box. Look how pretty she is. I love this color. I took away the trash, so I wanted to throw away the other box that it came in, this cute little box. So if you guys want to see what we have inside, then keep on watching. I'm going to unbox this cutie. Let me see what it says, because we all know they include cute little messages. Your smile is... I can't. Your smile is sunshine to others. That's so beautiful. Your smile is sunshine to others. I honestly don't like my smile, like what the heck is that? So yeah, maybe your smile is sunshine to others. Keep that in mind. That's a very powerful message. It has a beautiful meaning, like smile. You can make someone's day happier. Who knows? Anyway, I don't know what's inside. Let's proceed with caution. You guys, this smells so good. So we have a lot of products. Let me just count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7. And I see a lip balm. I'm going to go with this one. And again, we do not have the info card. Oh, so we have 6 products. Oh, I counted this as 2 products, but it's just one. So we have 6 products. Okay. We don't have the info card, which is such a boomer. I don't get it. Last month we did got the info card, and this month there's nowhere to be found. So I'm going to go on their website to read a little bit what it says for each product. But we got a lip balm from Burt's Bees. This is the watermelon moisturizing lip balm. 100% natural origin with responsibly sourced beeswax. So they had 2 options for this product. Either you got the Burt's Bees lip balm, either you got the Daily Concepts multifunctional soap sponge, both full size. So the lip balm is $3.99. Also they had 3 options for the lip balm, 3 flavors I mean. So you got the cucumber, cherry, or watermelon. So I got the watermelon. I want to smell it. Wow, I already smell. This smells so freaking amazing. Is clear. I mean, not clear. Is white, but I'm assuming it's gonna go clear on the lips. This is not watermelon. I'm sorry. The scent is melon. Yellow melon, to be more specific, with the green outside and yellow inside. You cannot fool me, Burt's Bee. Anyway, moving on, we have this silicone. I'm guessing is to cleanse the face. It's so cute, but it's way too flimsy. And I mean, I don't know, I have to try it. I honestly prefer the electric ones because I feel like they work better. This one feels a little bit too flimsy. I don't know if it does something in terms of exfoliating, because this is an exfoliating pad. So to me, this feels a little bit too soft, too flimsy. I have to try it out, but I do prefer the electric ones. They are a little bit more intense and they do work very, very well. Anyway, this is by the brand The Vintage Cosmetics Company, and we got a tweezers a few months ago, also from this brand, which is absolutely amazing. I do love this tweezers so much. It's so good. So again, we have the same brand. I do like this brand because I like the tweezers. But I don't know how I feel about this. Designed in perfect pink, this hygienic pad will brighten up any bathroom. Simply stick to your mirror or tiles. Okay, the Vintage Cosmetics exfoliating silicone pad. Okay, so this is worth £3.99. Moving on, I'm going to go with this little Hydramemory cream gel. Hydramemory cream gel, 24-hour double hydration cream gel. This is by the brand Comfort Zone. It has 15 milliliters, which, wow, yeah, it has 15 milliliters, and this one is worth £11.25. What? A pool of natural extracts and moringa oil obtained from certified fair trade cultivations to protect the skin's barrier and maintain optimal moisture levels of the skin. The letters are so tiny, my eyes are hurting. Skin is visibly hydrated for 24 hours, smooth and soft. The innovative water-based texture gives an immediate feeling of freshness, recommended for normal and mixed skin types. Okay, I want to see if this is sealed and how it smells. I love it that it's sealed. I'm not gonna open this. Moving on, we have this Kiwi Superfood Cooling Eye Serum. Okay, this is by Dr. Botanicals. So it says natural skincare, cruelty-free and vegan friendly. Let's see what it says. Our commitment is to clean beauty. That means skincare that is as close as 100% natural as possible. We love that. Our promise to you: kiwi fruit oil helps to maintain moisture in the skin. Grateful essential oil, high levels of vitamin C. We all need and love vitamin C, okay? Aids in reducing appearance of skin imperfections and appearance of oily skin. I do not have oily skin. Matrixin peptide 6. Matrixin, I don't know what's that. Helping reduce appearance of wrinkles. Yes. Oh, this is from Miami Beach, Florida. Okay, so let's see how much is this. This one has 15 milliliters and is worth £14.90. Okay. Wow, look at that. This is the smell in the box. It came from this little serum. It's very watery, as we can see. It's very watery. It has this milky-ish color. I want to see how it feels on the back of my hands. Just one tiny little drop. So a little bit goes a long way. Even though it feels watery, it also feels creamy at the same time. Oh, I'm choking. What the heck is going on? So it's fully absorbed, and wow, it smells so good. Let me drink a little bit of water. It's so cold. Very intrigued about this little product. I'm excited to try it out. Moving on, we have two more products. I'm going to go with this tiny one, and I think this was a sneak peek from the last month. Don't panic if your skin turns red. It means it's working. Why? I have questions. It has lactic acid, salicylic acid, glycolic acid. Oh my god. Yeah, I guess that's why your skin is gonna turn red. But what is this? This is a peeling mask, so I guess you just apply this. It says maintain skin's youthful vitality with the peeling mask from Danish skincare brand ECOOKING. Alpha hydroxy acids, including lactic, salicylic and glycolic. The weekly treatment expertly eliminates dead, dull skin to unveil a smooth and radiant visage. Natural plant extracts and antioxidant vitamin E work in tandem to deliver firming and anti-aging benefits. We love that. They help to minimize the appearance of lines and wrinkles while tightening skin and enhancing luminosity. The miracle mask will leave skin feeling softer and more refined with a healthy glow. It's vegan, fragrance and paraben free and made in Denmark. So this is the ECOOKING peeling mask, 15 milliliters, and is worth $9.90. Okay, and the last product we have is a cream. If I'm not wrong, this is by the brand This Works. Again, we got a bunch of products from this brand in LookFantastic boxes. This is the Stress Check Kind Hands. What? Stress Check Kind Hands. Soothing hand cream for dry, overwashed hands. How do you know I overwashed my hands? Because they are super crusty. Cruelty-free, vegan, paraben free. This one has 30 milliliters and is worth £6. Alright guys, so this was the May LookFantastic box. I feel like we got pretty bomb products. I'm not very excited to try the silicone thing behind me. Not very excited for that one, but I'm very intrigued to try the peeling mask. I really hope it works. I really hope I won't shed like 5 layers of skin, because that's so much fun. And the cooling eye serum sounds super interesting. It has vitamin C, and love me some vitamin C. I need that on my whole body. Then we have this face cream, hand cream, and the lip balm. So very excited to try all the products. Let me know what was your favorite product this month. So yeah, I guess that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys. Today I'm going to unbox the May Kids